Welcome to our channel. If you want to test premium features on dating apps before committing to a paid subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to access free trials for platforms like Tinder Plus, Bumble Premium, or Hinge Preferred. Step 1. Choose the dating app where you want to try premium features, such as Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, Match, eHarmony, or OkCupid, which all offer premium subscription tiers. Step 2. Download the dating app from your device's app store if you haven't already, or open the app if you're already a basic free user. Step 3. Look for promotional banners or pop-ups within the app advertising free trials of premium features. These offers often appear when you first create an account or during special promotional periods. Step 4. Tap Try Premium Free, or similar prompts to view available trial offers. Premium trials typically include features like unlimited likes, super likes, profile boosts, and the ability to see who liked you. Step 5. Select the premium subscription tier you want to try. Many apps offer different levels of premium subscriptions with varying features and price points after the trial. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card details or selecting your mobile carrier for billing. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period. Step 7. Review the trial terms carefully, noting exactly when the trial ends, which premium features are included, and the monthly or yearly cost that will be charged automatically if you don't cancel. Step 8. Start using premium features immediately to enhance your dating experience. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial expires if you decide not to continue with a paid premium subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.